Circle. Rocket. Spotlight.
Okay, it's telling you the modes.
Direction track. Follow. Droney. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow.
Okay, let's try a follow. Okay, press and hold the mode button on there to confirm and start filming in follow mode. So let's press and hold.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
1.
The aircraft is now.
Okay, let's see if the follow. Okay, it looks like she done a good job. Okay, now it says the aircraft will automatically start recording. Let the air follow you and take the short video. Okay, I'm going to click I'm done. I'm done filming.
Directly under the aircraft, and it will land automatically.
Okay, now it's telling you here, put your hand under the craft.
Press the mode button on the aircraft to explore the different filming effects offered by the different modes.
Okay, so let's switch
Droney.
to. This is a droney. Okay, so we're gonna press and hold.
4 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
And it's doing a droney. I think it said it was going 4 meters. Okay, and it's coming back. That is so cool. That is so cool. That is so cool. So cool. Okay, what's next here? Okay, we have a circle.
Circle.
We switch to circle. We're gonna go out here a little bit.
Spotlight. Direction track. Follow. Droney. Circle. 2 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
This is kind of cool here. Okay, the drone is stopped, but this is cool here. Let's get her going again. Okay, and again, we just stuck our hand out there. Okay, let's start this again. We'll click that.
3, 2, unable to take off. Aircraft in motion.
Okay, let's right there.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so that was a circle there. So let's hit the mode again.
Rocket.
Okay, now this is a rocket, so a rocket should go straight up. So let's try the rocket. Press and hold.
4 meters. Rocket. 3,
2, 1. Okay, way she goes. Going up. Said 4 meters. Okay, she's coming back down. You know, she's coming down where she took off.
Landing.
That was pretty cool. Okay, now the next one is Spotlight. So
Spotlight.
you just hit, it's in Spotlight. So let's press and hold the mode
Spotlight.
button.
3.
2.
Unable to take off. Aircraft in motion.
Okay, so unable to take off. Too low. So let's get out here a little bit.
Spotlight. 3, 2,
1.
1.
Spotlight. Okay, Spotlight is obviously the drone is going to stay on me no matter where I move. The camera is following me. So, I mean, I can go anywhere. That camera is going to keep facing me. That's kind of cool. Spotlight. Spotlight. Okay. So, let's bring it out. That's pretty much all the modes. There's one more mode. I'm not sure I understand. It's like a follow directional. So let's see what that one does. Okay, this last one here.
Direction track. Unable to take off. Finish tutorial in DJI Fly First.
Okay, let's try this.
Unable to take off. Finish tutorial in DJI Fly First.
Okay, it's telling me before I do that, I have to finish the DJI tutorial. So let's open our phone. Direction track. Okay, they're actually showing you here. Okay, direction track basics. 1. Aircraft will follow movement of subject and record from set direction. After taking off, aircraft will fly backwards and hover at a distance needed to recognize. Okay, subject stands still for 3 seconds, then aircraft will return to subject and hover. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, so we've done the tutorial. So let's see what she does. So press and hold the mode button.
Direction track. 3,
2, 1.
1.
Okay, so she kept right up to me. All right, so you stand for 3 seconds, don't move.
Landing.
And that's the direction track. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 modes on the top of the drone without, I mean, I did connect it to the phone, but no controller, no nothing. It is so cool, guys. It is so cool. All right, guys, I appreciate the watch. And, you know, I know it's a small drone, but it is a lot of fun. It's just like the Avata, only this has a few features that are different from a regular drone. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one with the Neo. See you later.